Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had a device that runs on batteries that you wish you could just plug in because you either forget to turn off the device or you leave it on for so long the batteries die and you're just tired of getting batteries? Well, this is where this item comes in. It's the Lenink, and it's a AA battery power supply adapter. This one will replace two AA batteries. They have other versions of it that can do 3 batteries, 4 batteries, etc. I'll leave the link in the description below. So you might be wondering why you'd also want to do this. I like to do a lot of home automation. So as you can see to the left of it, I got a smart plug. The problem I have right now is my son has a fort that has these fairy lights, and I'm really tired of having to swap out batteries for it. So the plan is to get this connected to a smart plug, and use the home automation to turn it on and off whenever I need to. So a quick unboxing of it. You have what appears to be 2 dummy batteries. One's got a wire connected to it right here, and a wall wart. So looking at it real quick, this connects into this. You put these 2 batteries inside of whatever device you're going to be using, plug it in, and that should be all you need to do.
Which letter comes right after F?
Alexa, turn on Liam's fort. Worked? Dad, it worked?
Yep. Turn it off.
Alexa, turn off Liam's fort.
Good job.